In 2010, the Caribbean country of Haiti was rocked with a 7.0 magnitude earthquake that devastated the nation, leaving over 1 million people displaced, destroying critical infrastructure and institutions, and crippling the economy.
En 2010, le pays d'Haïti des Caraïbes a été secoué par un tremblement de terre d'une magnitude de 7 qui a dévasté le pays, laissant plus d'1 million de personnes sans abri, détruisant les infrastructures et les institutions importantes et paralysant l'économie. Parmi cette dévastation, l'école des métiers Lakay, située près de la capitale de Port-au-Prince.
Among that devastation was the Ecole Lakay Trade School, located near the capital of Port-au-Prince. Through their generosity, initiative, and collaboration, CISC members and associates helped to plan and build a new and improved 2,200 square meter facility that will specialize in training the next generation of skilled tradespeople in Haiti.
Grâce à leur générosité, l'initiative et collaboration, les membres et associés de l'ICCA ont aidé à planifier et à construire un nouvel établissement amélioré d'une superficie de 2200 mètres carrés qui se spécialisera dans la formation de la prochaine génération de gens de métier en Haïti. Le projet a débuté au printemps de 2011.
The project started in the spring of 2011. CISC donated and fabricated over 140 metric tons of structural steel valued at over $1 million for the new school's construction.
L'ICCA a donné et fabriqué plus de 140 tonnes métriques d'acier de charpente évalué à plus d'1 million de dollars pour la construction de la nouvelle école. En mai 2015, le montage de la charpente d'acier de l'école a été achevé.
As of May 2015, the erection of the structural steel frame of the school had been completed.
In the fall of 2011, the CCA and the Quebec Construction Association approached the CISC and said, "We need your help on the Haiti school project." I knew if CISC did not get involved, this project would never go ahead. Our members and associates felt as well as I did that this is something that it struck a chord. We needed to get involved. And we didn't believe that it would be too much or too onerous. When we notified a CCA and ACQ that we were interested in getting involved and we would participate and we would help out such a great humanitarian cause, the structure and the design was for a number of reasons we weren't aware of, changed entirely to structural steel. After the design drawings came back of the redesign, we went from an approved 20 metric tons up to, at the completed end, well over 145 metric tons of structural steel, joists and deck, and steel materials, which, as you can see, is a dramatic increase. And without the willingness and the heart of the steel industry and the generosity, we wouldn't have been able to succeed in this project. One of the things that became quite evident as we were going along in the donation drive was that many companies were willing and eager across Canada to help on this project. The biggest challenge we had, and we knew that without the supply of the raw material of steel, this project was not going ahead. There were many companies that were willing to donate labor and their expertise, but we needed steel. And so it took almost 1 year after the board of directors approved this project for us to have a steel mill come on board, and actually 2 steel mills to come on board to donate generously for this project. With that generosity for the steel mills, I knew we had a project. The beautiful thing about this project is that it actually gives back to Haiti. We thought, wouldn't it be wonderful not only to come down and do it right, but to help educate the labor, the construction community in Haiti and show them how to build safe and how to build to Canadian standards and how to install and erect a steel building.
FAST and EPS engineering team provided their knowledge and expertise to complete the engineering design for this project and selected steel for its versatility, durability, and seismic-resistant properties.
L'équipe d'ingénieurs de FAST et EP fournit leurs connaissances et l'expertise pour compléter la conception d'ingénierie pour ce projet. La sélection de l'acier pour sa polyvalence, sa durabilité et ses propriétés parasismiques.
Using steel for the primary structural frame provides the trade school with a robust and seismically dependable solution.
L'utilisation de l'acier pour la charpente primaire fournit à l'école de métier une solution robuste et sismiquement fiable.
Lakay was the primary structural steel fabricator for this project.
Ecole était le fabricant d'acier principal pour ce projet.
Applying the Canadian Building Code for this project resulted in a stronger, safer, and more durable structure that will withstand natural disasters and serve the needs of the community for years to come.
En appliquant le Code du bâtiment du Canada, ce projet a résulté en une structure plus solide, plus sécuritaire et plus durable qui résistera aux catastrophes naturelles et servira les futurs besoins de la communauté.
Hello, my name is Martin Lachapelle, President of Ecole. We are very proud to have participated in the reconstruction of Lakay School, and we're very happy to know that very soon the people of Haiti will benefit from the educational and future employment of this school will offer. At first, the school looked like a simple 10,000 square foot project, but by the time we received the construction drawing, the school had grown to a 17,000 square foot building that has so many braces that I believe the building could stand without any column. This school has been built with the highest Canadian standard and all seismic requirements for the area. In a country like Haiti, which stands on two seismic fault lines, the steel structure was the way to go. By applying the Canadian code to Haiti-specific conditions, we've built a stronger school that will resist to all earthquakes. At first, when we decided to help in this project, we had planned to produce in our down period, but it never happened this way. In fact, after receiving the steel from the donation of different suppliers, we were now in our peak period and we had to produce the job in overtime and even load the container in between Christmas and New Year's to meet the schedule. Now that the Ecole Lakay steel structure is completed, we can see that all our time and effort was well worth it.
With that many bracing, moment connection and complex designs due to actual load, another challenge for us was to make sure that even with all these complex connections, the erection would be feasible. Obviously, we did encounter some erection puzzles that we managed to avoid and solve.
Cast Connex provided high-strength connectors, which improved the overall performance of the building should another earthquake occur.
Cast Connex a fourni des connecteurs à haute résistance qui ont amélioré la performance globale du bâtiment si un autre séisme devait se produire.
Cast Connex is proud to have played a role in the reconstruction of Ecole Lakay in Haiti with our donation of 170 of our high-strength connectors. Our high-strength connectors also improve the performance of the building should another earthquake occur. Their use accommodates the use of bolted connections, which are very compact. This reduces the size of gusset plates in the seismic force resisting system, and that's been shown to improve the performance of brace frame structures in earthquakes.
The connectors provided a tremendous advantage on this project. By eliminating field welding, the structure could be erected with relatively simple tools and simple skills. In a place like Haiti, there isn't a wide availability of welding and welding equipment and skilled welders, and so by facilitating field bolting, we simplified the erection of this structure to a point where this project was possible. It's a tremendous feeling to see technology that we developed at the University of Toronto being applied all the way in Haiti and facilitating the construction of a facility like this. This is why we do what we do.
For this project, Can-Am generously supplied 28,960 square feet of steel deck, 2 tons of joist girders, and 28 tons of steel joists.
Pour ce projet, Groupe Can-Am a généreusement fourni 28 tonnes 960 mètres carrés de tablier d'acier, 2 tonnes de poutres et 28 tonnes de poutrelles d'acier.
Hi, I'm Luc Saint-Pierre, Sales Director, Joist and Deck in Quebec for the Group Can-Am. Can-Am supplied the engineering 2 tons of joist girder, 28 tons of steel joists, and 29,000 square feet of steel deck to the community. In 2015, 4 years after that first meeting, I'm proud to say the young people from Haiti were able to return to school every day in a secure building built according to the Canadian Code. Can-Am is very proud to have been a partner in that project.
Infasco supplied high-strength bolts to the project.
Infasco a fourni des boulons à haute résistance au projet.
For Infasco, business is about building bridges. It's about building towers. It's about building projects across North America. This was a lot different. This is about rebuilding a country after a disaster. For us, this was incredibly thrilling, and we were incredibly enthusiastic about this. We were excited for this opportunity because we got the chance to help change people's lives. The next generation that will be attending this school and the generations to come. We were so grateful to be participating in this because it gives us an opportunity to help those people. Specifically for Infasco, we were able to donate all of the structural steel fasteners that were required to erect the building that will be the school in Haiti. We're very privileged to have participated in this project.
ArcelorMittal International was instrumental to the facility's construction, donating nearly 100 metric tons of flat-rolled, plate, and structural steel to be fabricated for the project.
ArcelorMittal International a également contribué à la construction de l'école en donnant près de 100 tonnes métriques de laminé d'acier plat et d'acier de construction devant être usinés pour le projet.
Quebec's Produit Métallique PME erected the structure's steel frame.
La compagnie québécoise Production Métallique PMI a monté la charpente d'acier.
Donc, notre implication dans l'école Lakay à Haïti, ça remonte depuis 2010, donc en avril 2010. À l'époque, j'étais président de l'Association de construction du Québec et nous avons décidé, le conseil d'administration a décidé à l'époque de faire quelque chose pour aider les sinistrés d'Haïti. Et ce qui est un projet qui était présenté par Builders Without Borders, qui était très intéressant, c'était de refaire la construction d'une école des métiers de construction. Et tout de suite, le projet nous a emballé, donc je me suis rendu à Haïti en mois d'avril 2010. Suite à ça, il y a eu la levée de fonds, etc., etc. Je pense que les gens ont très très bien répondu au Canada. J'ai été moi-même sollicité des gens de l'ICCA au Québec et j'ai eu un très bon accueil. Et c'est à ce moment-là que je pense que les gens de l'industrie de l'acier ont vu la nécessité de bâtir une école qui résistera au tremblement de terre, donc de là l'utilisation de l'acier dans la construction. Et voir comment pourrait s'organiser l'installation de l'acier. Et de là la décision de Produits métalliques PMI de fournir une équipe pour pouvoir faire l'érection de la charpente. Nous avions une période assez courte dans un environnement chaud, assez difficile, et je pense que la charpente a été montée, principale. Il reste des trois à faire, donc ils sont confiés à une équipe, à une autre équipe de bénévoles de l'association d'un entrepreneur en charpente métallique du Canada. Vous voyez, je pense que c'est très important pour nous d'avoir participé à ce projet et s'assurer aussi par notre présence sur place que le projet est réalisé et que les gens d'Haïti, les gens de l'école Lakay auront un bâtiment solide qui va résister à l'épreuve du temps, aux intempéries. Et c'est pourquoi que toute mon équipe chez PMI, on est très fiers d'avoir participé à l'érection de cette charpente. Je pense qu'on a très hâte à l'inauguration de l'école qui viendra dans quelques temps.
We have the steel industry provided a seismic safe building, and we've donated a lot of materials so a school can get started, kids can start learning, and Haiti can take control of their destiny. I'd like to again thank all of you that helped. All of you that helped in support, maybe not were specifically donors, but you participated in making sure this project was a success. And God help that we don't have to do this again. But I'd like to thank again all of you for your help, and I'd like to thank the CISC for their vision and their generosity in making sure that this project was completed. Thank you.
Ils ont à préparer leur futur. Les ateliers, c'est plus important encore pour eux, pour qu'ils puissent vraiment avoir un travail rémunéré dans la société et qu'ils puissent gagner de l'argent pour être utiles à eux-mêmes et à leur famille et à leur pays aussi, Haïti. Au total, nous avons, au foyer Lakay, nous avons 150, mais normalement avec des externes, nous avons presque 200 d'étudiants. Et après cette construction, nous pensons avoir beaucoup plus d'étudiants. Le message que je dois envoyer aux Canadiens, c'est notre remerciement et puis c'est notre fierté de ce rapprochement que nous avons avec le Canada et avec toute cette solidarité qui se manifeste toujours du côté des Canadiens et pour les plus pauvres et puis ce travail d'engouement qu'ils ont à faire pour le bien des Haïtiens, pour le bien des enfants.
We have to thank all time, so I say like thank you and thank you again, because I think that that will be a wonderful project in which one it will be plenty of children that will have a better future. That's what we look for them.
I think that teaching 200 students at a time building skills, if they're then used properly by the local population, it's just it's an immense benefit to Haiti.
Alors moi je dirais un grand merci, un grand merci. Je pense que c'est d'une générosité incomparable. Encore une fois, au nom du peuple haïtien, au nom des gens de l'école ici, un grand merci à tous les donneurs et merci encore 1000 fois.
The CISC would like to celebrate and recognize the members and associates involved in the Haiti school rebuild for their generosity, leadership, initiative, and vision.
L'ICCA aimerait célébrer et reconnaître les membres et les associés impliqués dans la reconstruction de l'école d'Haïti pour leur générosité, le leadership, l'initiative et la vision.
We are proud to give the CISC Humanitarian Award to the project team for the Ecole Lakay Trade School Rebuild.
Nous sommes fiers de remettre le prix humanitaire de l'ICCA à l'équipe de construction du projet de l'école de métier Lakay.